Good afternoon, everyone. We're here today with Carla, and she's going to share her potato salad recipe. And so she's going to start out now with about 2.5 cups of potatoes, and diced about an inch in diameter. And looks like she's going to add two hard-boiled eggs, and this is the way I like it. And she's got some homegrown onion here that's been diced.
About two to taste.
And then next, this is a special treat here. This has got it's a secret recipe by Carla's sister Nancy. And at some point, we're hoping to get her on, maybe next year. But yeah, this is a first time to use this Chow Chow. It's like a relish, and she's not sharing those ingredients right now. And so she's gonna also kind of finish it off with a little bit of mustard, and what else you got there? Some mayonnaise. And it looks like, looks like she's gonna grab a little bit more mayonnaise. We don't want it too dried out, do we? Yeah, this secret ingredient, Chow Chow. Yeah, I had it on a hamburger. Oh, it's to die for. I'm really looking forward to this special treat here in this potato salad.
Yeah. She's gonna add salt and pepper.
Okay, what's next, Carla?
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
Pepper.
Oh, it's looking good.
And I like mine with lots of salt.
There we go. There you have it, folks. Stay tuned for a future video. And like I said, we're hoping we'll get Nancy on at some point with a recipe related to this, maybe. Thanks for watching.